Howdy there, folks, and welcome to the very first episode of How Do You Feel About This? Today, we're going to be traveling to a local skate spot and asking some skaters, how do you feel about this?
Feels like I'm tired. Watch out.
No, how does it feel?
Watch out.
How does it feel?
Watch out!
How does it feel to skate?
Sir, can I ask you a question? Sir, how does it feel? How does it feel? How does it feel? How does it feel being inducted into Mensa for the 5th time?
Fuck it. Geek.
How does it feel though being the only one here with hair on your head?
Is that thing for geniuses?
How does it feel knowing that your shirt has numbers on it? How does it feel?
It's kind of sad sometimes because like I really like being Australian, but I don't have the accent, so that means I'm not Australian.
Spikes.
How you feeling right now?
That's exactly how.
How you feeling? You better get out of the way.
I wasn't trying to land on the extension.
This bit is kind of fucking stupid, but I like this shirt.
How do you feel about being called dirty?
I need to take a shower.
How do you feel about breaking all the bones in your body? How do you feel about this song?
You gotta get hyped. You gotta get slow.
How do you feel about the fact that your board is not very wide?
Yes.
How does it feel knowing that your life can end at any moment?
I want it to end right now.
All right, you heard it here first, guys. Film is fucking gay. That's an end to it.
How do you feel about losing all that money?
I just want it to stop.
Spikes.
I don't have a beard. I gotta kill him.
How do you feel about that? How do you feel about this this song?
Love of God. Please stop.
Spikes.